a tugboat and a friendly tugboat too. A friendly tugboat too. Oh, Theodore likes to do the things that friendly tugboats do.
The giant oil rig had arrived in the middle of the night, back from a job way out on the ocean. Theodore didn't know much about oil rigs, and he found them a little frightening. They were so big, so tall, so completely different from any vessels he'd ever seen here in the big harbor. But George laughed and told him not to worry. He took a couple more deep breaths. "You know, Theodore, you look small, but you're really as brave as the biggest of us." "And thanks a bunch from up here," said Tex. "Maybe sometimes I am a little too big for these here bumpers," continued the big rig. "And now I know I'd have been just a bunch of rods and rails without both of you. You know, you're both big fellas to me," said Tex. "This all reminds me of a little old story I heard one time down in the Gulf of Mexico." It was a big, bright, beautiful summer day in the big harbor. All the tugs were still asleep. All except for Hank. Hank was up early and almost bursting his bumpers with excitement over all the wonderful things he wanted to do today. He felt happier than happy that morning. Happier than happy. "Thank you, Theodore," said Hank. "I feel much better now." "I do too, Hank," replied Theodore. "I do too." "We all do," said the others.
Theodore, he's a tugboat and a friendly tugboat too. A friendly tugboat too. Oh, Theodore and Emily, Boda, Hank and George and the Harbourmaster too.